Yes, Niyati, you want to speak? Then continue, Niyati. So his mother told him that a man or native means a person who was born there. So a native and would be similar or would have resemblance or bear resemblance of the great stone face would come there one day. So they all went and he hoped. What did he hope? What did Ernest hope? When he looked as a small boy, what did he wish? What did he hope when he...
Ernest hope that the great stone can speak.
Yes, he wants, first of all, of course, first he
He
wishes,
wants to
he
hear
wants
his
to hear, yes, he wished that the great stone face would speak to him because he would, that voice or the sound of his voice would be very pleasant to his ears. Then he hoped when his mother told him about this prophecy that one day a man bearing the face of the great stone face or resemblance of great stone face would come. He hoped that he would live long enough to see such men. And then he told his mother. Her mother was also very happy, and like Ahana told that told us that one day a man who was a native who was born in that village but had gone elsewhere to some seaport where he became a shopkeeper, and then he grew up with his hard work. He grew up into a rich businessman and he collected wealth. बहुत rich हो गया. He became very very rich, and it would take. It is said that it would have taken 100 years to count his wealth. So he came to that village, came back, and the people thought that he was the man who resembled the great stone face. Do you think Ernest also thought same like the old, like the villagers? When he
Yes,
looked,
ma'am.
no, he hoped that before his appearance, before Gather Gold appeared there in the village, he hoped, Ernest hoped that he would be the man bearing the resemblance to the great stone face. But at the end of this part one, we find something else. What do you think? Still, did he believe when he looked at the face of Gather Gold? Do you think he believed that, like other villagers, that this was the man?
No, no.
No, he did not believe.
No.
Yes, Elsa, Ritika, Arshi,
No,
and
ma'am.
others have given the answer that he did not. He
No,
did not
ma'am.
find any resemblance to the great stone face, and he looked very shrewd. Shrewd एक word दिया हुआ है, SHREWD. What is the meaning of shrewd? SHREWD. Shrewd. Shrewd word दिया हुआ है. What is the meaning of shrewd? Shrewdness of that unpleasant face. He turned away sadly, where from the wrinkled.
Showing sharp,
अनुश्री फिर से repeat करना.
having or showing sharp powders of judgment.
Okay, shrewd माने चालाक होता है ना, cunning in a negative way. जब बहुत कोई चालाक होता है, इसे shrewd, बहुत shrewd है. Okay, so it's mostly used in a negative way. Okay, shrewd. Shrewdness or unpleasant face. He found it unpleasant, and he looked. I'm reading out the last part of what we read last time of the first part of this story. He turned away sadly. Anushri, will you read this last part, the last paragraph, and what made him puzzled? Read it.
Ma'am, but please wait a minute.
From here, and what greatly puzzled Ernest. ये वाला paragraph पढ़ो. Before
Ma'am, I can read.
who's
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. And what greatly puzzled? Last para of first part.
Ma'am, I can read.
Yes, read.
And what great puzzled Ernest. They seemed
Continue.
actually to believe that here was the likeness. They broke off. He turned away sadly from the wrinkled shrewdness of that unpleasant face and gazed up the valley where the stone face seemed to say, He will come.
Fear not. Continue, Ragini.
Fear not, Ernest, the man will come.
Very good. So he did not believe and he looked sadly towards the great stone face. So what was the yes? What was the reply, Tamia? What reply seemed to was conveyed by this great stone face?
Man,
That
that he will come, fear not, Ernest the man will come.
That he would come one day. Okay, now second part. Are you ready with the second part?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Akshay, now you start reading the first paragraph of the second part. Anushri, you had raised your hand. Read.
The years went on, and the Ernest grew to be a young man. He attracted little notice from the inhabitants of the valley. They saw nothing remarkable in his way of life, except that when the labor of the day was over, he still loved to gaze upon the great stone face. Their ideal was that this was a folly, but a
Pardonable. Maaf karne ko pardonable.
because Ernest was industrious, kind, and neighborly. They did not know that the great stone face had become a teacher to him, and that the sentiment which was expressed in it would enlarge the young man's heart and fill it with sympathy than the other hearts. They
Okay,
did not.
we'll stop here because I want to ask you questions. Now, my first question. So, in the second part, we find, what do we find? Ernest is still a small boy or he has grown? He's now young.
He was a grown-up boy.
He's
He's
a
a
young man now.
Grown-up boy.
He grown up.
Yes, a young man. Now he is a man now. He's young man. And what did he do after the work was complete? He was very industrious. मेहनती था, बहुत मेहनती था, industrious था. So what did he do after the day's work? What did he do?
He gazed upon the
Great
great
in the
stone
valley
face.
of the great
Very good,
stone.
Priyanshu.
Gaze
Very good,
upon the
Priyanshu.
stone face.
Okay, Samia. Anyone else who wants to give the answer? Yes.
Gaze upon
He
He gazed upon our great stone face.
So
Man,
what
I have a doubt.
what did the villagers? Why did the villagers find it very awkward? What was so awkward in him or weird in him?
Because we talked to him.
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट
Yes, ask the doubt, Samia.
मैम उसमें लिखा है कि एर्नेस्ट अब मैन बड़ा हो गया है तो मैम वो ग्रेट स्टोन फेस के ऊपर जाके गेज करता है गेज
ऊपर कैसे करेगा? गेज करना ना. कहाँ क्या कर रही हो तुम? ऊपर जाके कैसे?
मैम वो लिखा है ना he still loved to gaze upon the great stone face
Upon the great. ऐसे
what is the meaning of
on the थोड़ा है. Upon. It's if we read this paragraph once again. Samia, read this paragraph once again. He attracted. They saw nothing. Now, एक minute. Before we start, so we have just said that he is now a young man, and he was very industrialist, है ना? And industrious and kind also. So people loved him. Villagers loved him. But they found it weird, very strange that he used to stare, gaze, stare. After his work was over, the day's work was over, he would stare at or he would gaze at whom?
Great
Gaze
stone
upon.
face.
Yes,
upon
Priyanshu.
the great stone
Yes.
face
Okay, so stare at or gaze upon. Okay, gaze के साथ upon आता है. Okay, Samya, you
Yes,
read it once
ma'am.
again so that it becomes clear to you.
मैम
Read it again.
सेकंड पैरा
No, same para, which she had just now read, a third line. Read from the third line.
They
This-
saw nothing remarkable in his way of life, except that when the labor of the day was over, he still loved to gaze upon the great stone face.
Got it? Clear? Now continue reading again. Continue. We'll come to.
Their idea was that this was a folly,
This
but
was a stupid thing, weird, strange, it's a silly thing, silly, folly.
pardonable because
मगर माफ कर दे, देखिए, it could be excused, pardonable, pardonable है ना, pardon माने माफ करना, pardonable, excusable,
because Ernest was indeed industrious,
industrious माने मेहनती है ना, industrious था, मेहनत करता था बहुत.
kind and neighboring. They did not know what that the great stone face had become a teacher to him, and that the
Sentiment,
sentiment which was expressed in it would enlarge the young man's heart.
yes, so they did not understand that the point. What was the point? That that the great stone face had become a teacher. So all this kindness that people saw in the expressions of the great stone face were indirectly imbibed, है ना, वो अंदर ले रहा था, imbibed by Ernest. So his heart was becoming larger as he was growing older. Now,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of sentiment?
sentiments means emotions, sentiments, feelings. Okay?
Okay.
Ahana, continue reading, Ahana. Ahana? What are you looking at, Ahana? Ahana? I thought you were looking at and you're listening. What is it? Ahana, is it your picture image? वो रुक गया है शायद आहना का, मुझे लगता है कि वो कोई प्रॉब्लम है उसमें, नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम है. मैंने सोचा आहना ऐसे देख रही है, ध्यान से सुन रही है, हाँ, मगर यहाँ पे तो आहना हिल ही नहीं रही है. नो मूवमेंट.
वो नेटवर्क इशू हो चुका है मैम, उसके
क्या हो गया उसका?
नेटवर्क इशू हो चुका है.
अच्छा, ये बात है, इसलिए आहना का. एल्सा, यू रीड, कंटिन्यू रीडिंग. Elsa, read.
And fill it with deeper sympathies than other hearts. They did not know that from this would come a better wisdom than could be learned from books.
So he was imbibing, yes, Elsa, he was imbibing all the good qualities and the kindness and wisdom, and he was becoming wiser. Yes, because used to sit and ponder, है ना, जब हम खाली बैठ के बजाय दूसरों से गॉसिप करें, बातें करें, अगर हम अच्छी अच्छी बातें सोचते हैं, है ना, तो naturally we become wiser. Yes, continue, Elsa.
Neither did Ernest know that the thoughts which came to him so naturally in the fields and at the fireside were of a higher tone than those which all men shared with him.
The average people, they shared the thoughts were quite different from the ones, because he was of higher category, the thoughts that he was having in mind. He experienced. Continue.
A simple soul, simple as when his mother first told him the old story. He beheld the marvelous face looking down the valley and still wondered why its human likeness was so long in coming.
So he was anxiously waiting for that wise man who would have, who would bear resemblance to the great stone face, who would be wise, who would be kind, who would be having all those good qualities would appear there. So why he was taking so long, he wondered. Yes, Aditya, will you read? ये मुझे जो लोग दिख रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे, उन्हीं को मैं बोलूंगा. आदित्य.
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Ragini, अच्छा, Ragini, you have already read.
Ma'am, from where I just confused.
You are confused. Elsa, tell him from where he has to read. After this, Navya will read.
28 second paragraph.
28 second. Okay. By this time. By this time, poor Mr. Gathergold was dead and buried. His wealth, which was the body and spirit of his existence, had disappeared before his death. Sincere uh, the melting away of his gold. It had been generally agreed that there was no great likeness, after all, between the ruined merchant and the majestic face upon
हाँ,
the mountain.
तो जो लोग सोचते थे कि he was the person, gather gold, who bore, bear का past tense bore, resemblance of the great stone face changed as he grew older. By the time he was old, gather gold, his wealth, the immense wealth that he had, also disappeared, also got melted. देखो melted word use हुआ है ना कि it got disappeared, and they all now agreed before he was dying that they agreed that he did not have any resemblance to the great stone face. Navya, read the next page, next paragraph. Sorry, Navya.
It so happened that another son of the valley had become a soldier many years before. After a great deal of hard fighting, he was now a famous commander. He was known on the battlefield by the name of Blood and Thunder.
Thunder.
Old and tired now, he had lately expressed a desire to return to his native valley. The inhabitants, his old neighbors, and their grown-up children prepared to welcome the rehonored
The famous, the
now commander. It was being said that at last the likeness of Great Stone Face had actually appeared.
Okay,
Great
we'll stop here. So finally, they hear about a native who had become a soldier, and after many years, he was, because of his bravery and courage, he rose up to become a commander. है ना? And yes, what was he known, Garima? What was he known in the battlefield?
Blood and Thunder.
Blood and thunder. He was so
Blood and
strong.
thunder.
Blood and thunder.
Yes, Priyanshu, very good. You're giving all the answers. That he was known as Blood and Thunder. So when he became old, he decided, after his retirement, we can say, he decided to come back to the village. And when the villagers came to know that about his return, they were very happy, and they now thought that this man, Blood and Thunder, would really have the resemblance to the great stone face. Okay, so yes, who is going to read now? Who didn't get chance? Garima, will you read, Garima? Garima, read.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, दो लोगों ने और हाथ उठाए हैं. Okay, after that you will get chance. Okay, after Garima.
Great, therefore, was the excitement throughout the valley, and many people who had never once thought of glancing at the great stone face now spent much time in gazing at it, for the sake of knowing exactly how General Blood and Thunder looked.
Yes. So now people were so excited, so curious, that they were very excited to see this man. And they even began to gaze. Earlier, they were all busy. They would gossip. They would sit together, but they had no time to gaze upon the great stone face. But now they all came to gaze at the this great stone face. And yes, Priyanshu, continue reading.
One day,
On the
on the day of the general arrival, Ernest and all the other people of the valley left their work and prepared. Soldiers stood on guard, flags waved, and the crowd roared. Ernest was standing too far back to see Blood and Thunder face. However, he could hear several voices.
Read one more line. Read one more line, and then we'll.
It is the same face exactly, cried one man, dancing for joy.
Yes.
Wonderfully.
So finally that day came, and people had prepared with flags, and they were all standing on guards like soldiers and waving, and they were all waiting to see his face. And as soon as he appeared, they all began to dance. Here comes the commander. Here comes the man who bears exact face or the exact resemblance to the great stone face. So they all were very happy. Yes, roll number 109, 80109. Yes, read. Vilina.
Wonderfully like it. That's a fact, replied another. And why not?
Wonderfully.
Cried a third.
Wonderfully they began to talk to each other in excitement. That's the man we had been waiting for. Yes, continue.
And why not? Cried a third. He is the greatest man of this or any other age, beyond a doubt.
Yes.
Ernest at last could see the general's face, and in the same glance to the side, he could also see the Gatestone face. If there was such a likeness as the crowd proclaimed,
Same.
Ernest could not recognize it. Fear not, Ernest, said his heart, as if the great stone face was whispering to him. Fear not, Ernest, he will come.
So, what happened? The people, they were dancing in joy. They were talking to each other. Finally, that man has come. But what about Ernest? Did he also believe after looking at the face of blood and thunder? Did he also believe?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, he
No,
did not
ma'am.
believe him. He did not believe- Yes, he did not believe them, but his heart said to him that one day the man will come. Though this man does not have any resemblance to the great stone face, but the man will surely appear. And this heart it is given in the last paragraph, last lines, that heart, it was as if the great stone face was whispering to him. Okay, now I ask you questions. Whatever we have done, I'll ask you questions based on that. You can even give type your answers, okay, so that I can, instead of giving the answers together, I think it's better you type your answers and I'll read out from here, okay. The great stone face stood near where Ernest and his mother lived.
False.
True.
True.
True. Okay, true. One would clearly distinguish. Is it true?
No, ma'am, it is false.
It is false, sir. It was
Yes,
not
ma'am.
near. It was very far. If you went near it, then it would look. Then you came to know that it did not have any resemblance. It was just piles of stones, sir. So it is false, sir. I won't.
Yes, ma'am, it is false.
It is false. दिया हुआ है first paragraph में, है ना, miles away. Very good, Yukta. Very good, Yukta. Yukta has also given the reason, miles away. Yes, Anushri and all, very good. One would clearly distinguish the features of the stone face only from a distance. Only from a distance. This is
Ma'am, it
true.
is true.
This is true. Only from a distance you could make out that it's a great stone face. It's a face like a human face. Now next step. Ernest loved his mother and helped her in her work.
True.
Yes, ma'am. True.
True.
No doubt, yes, about it. Though not very rich, Gather Gold was a skillful merchant.
False.
False.
He was merchant as well as rich also. So this is false. The first part is wrong. It is false. Yes, Ritika, Navya, Elsa, Tanisha, all have given the answers. Vanshika, Aishani, Elsa, again, okay, Anushri, yes, very good. Now, fifth, Gathered Gold died in poverty and neglect. He died in
True.
true,
Yes,
Yukta. Yes, Yukta. It's true. Tanisha, Navya,
The gold was
Pratham, Anushri, Lakshita, Vanshika, very good, Garima. Now, next, the great stone face seemed to suggest that Arna should not fear the general. He should not
False. False.
false. False. Last one is false.
false.
It was not telling him
Yeah.
not to fear him. It was telling that not to fear. So what was the fear he was talking about? If it was not saying not to fear the general, then what was the fear? You type the answer. What was the fear? Fear
About
का मतलब
the
है
The fear
Center
was
face.
that the great stone face was whispering to him.
I'm asking you, why? What does it refer to? What does this fear refers to?
Fear refers to the blood and the thunder face.
That he should not think that the man having the resemblance of Having the resemblance of the great stone face
Great
will not
stone
come. Yes, that fear. Okay, he will come one day. So this is over. What was the great stone face? What was the great stone face? मैं सोच रही हूँ क्लास में आप कॉपी निकालिए और आप लिखना भी शुरू करिए. Since you are sitting here in front, you can write the answers also. Or will you complete this, sir? The first part of question answers in your copy.
We can complete this.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can complete
We will
this.
complete by
We can
ourselves.
discuss the question
Okay.
answers.
ठीक है, आप complete
Yes,
करिएगा
ma'am.
ये question answers and on Monday we'll take up the grammar part. Yes, Samia.
Okay, ma'am.
What was the great stone face?
The great stone face was a work of nature formed on the perpendicular side of the mountain by some apparent rocks.
Ma'am, can
Very
I
good.
answer?
बहुत सारे बच्चों ने आंसर दिया है, जैसे आदित्य ने भी, अनुश्री ने सबसे पहले
Ma'am, I
read out
also
किया,
want to
और
tell.
अनिता and Elsa all have typed. I think it's better you type the answers, क्योंकि मेरे सामने आ जाते हैं आंसर्स, अगर टाइप कर सकते हैं. शिविर अभी मैं दे दूंगी अटेंडेंस. Okay, so it is given in the first part, second page. It's given on 125 page, second para. Okay,
Yes,
so you
ma'am.
get the answer over there. Navya, you have to write complete answer. What did young Ernest wish when he gazed at it? What did he
Ma'am,
wish?
can I tell?
Okay, Samia, tell.
Ma'am, young Ernest gazed at the
What did he
great
wish?
stone face.
Arshi has given he wished that he could talk to the great stone face. Simple. He wished that he could talk to the
Ma'am,
great stone face.
Ernest
Very
wished
good.
that
The
it
great
could
stone.
speak
And
because
Navya,
it looked.
Navya has given the great stone could speak. Tanisha. Very good, Tanisha.
Because, ma'am,
Anushka.
it looked at the sky.
He wished to hear and talk.
रितिका. ये सारे बच्चों ने आंसर्स बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट दिए हैं. ही विश दैट द ग्रेट स्टोन फेस कुड स्पीक और ही कुड हियर, है ना. ये इनमें से कुछ भी आंसर अपने ओन वर्ड्स में दें तो ज्यादा अच्छा है, सानिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट. व्हाट वाज द स्टोरी एट्रिब्यूटेड टू द ग्रेट स्टोन फेस?
Ma'am, the story attribute to the stone face was that the special child should be born there.
Okay, anyone else who wants to give the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, give Garima. Garima, give the answer.
The story attributed to the stone face was that someday a child with the likeness of that face would be born. He would become the greatest and noblest person of his age.
Yes, this answer is given on last paragraph of page 125, and the first para it continues on page 126. So you will find the answer. कि in near future a child would be born. Could को would कर देना. Would be born who would be destined, और इसको short में कर सकते हैं destined. Yes, the story attributed to stone face. ये आदित्य आंसर दिया है. Yes, आदित्य, है ना. They become the greatest and noblest person of his time and whose face in manhood would कर देता है सब में. Could और should जो है वो सब जब आंसर्स आप लिखेंगे they will change into would. And Samya, stop eating. You can eat afterwards. Only few minutes are left.
Sorry, ma'am.
है ना. With तो ये it is given in this paragraph and write this answer. Okay, now next. What gave the people of the valley the idea that prophecy was about to come true for the first time? What
Ma'am,
gave the people this idea? Let me see who is giving the answer. लोगों ने ये क्यों सोचा कि वो जो गैदर गोल्ड है वो जो आ रहा है या ये प्रोफेसी जो है इट्स गोइंग टू कम ट्रू. आहना का भी वैसी है.
ma'am, can I answer?
हाँ, मैं चाह रही हूँ कोई और भी आंसर दे. ये साक्षी, सक्षम, अनुश्री भी रेडी है. हाँ, चलो और कौन दे रहा है आंसर? चलो सानिया से शुरू करते हैं. हाँ सानिया, आंसर दो जरा, फिर others will continue.
Yes, ma'am. A young man named Gather Gold had left the valley. He had grown a rich merchant by the time he became old. He had decided to return to his native valley. He rumor-went that he had the living likeness of the great stone face. It made the people of the valley think that the prosperity was about to come true.
Yes, prophecy was about to come to true. This is the answer. You can make it shorter. है ना. कि
Okay, ma'am.
अब the rumor है ना went around, the rumor spread, the rumor in the valley spread that a boy or the native of that Mr. Gathergold, or who, I think it's given in this paragraph. Which paragraph? The last paragraph on page 126. There was a rumor throughout the valley that a great man, having the resemblance of the great stone face, would finally appear. He was the native of the place. He had gone to some seaport where from a shopkeeper he rose up to become a rich merchant, and now he was going to return. Yes, Shivin. Shivin has also given type the answer. Very good, Shivin. Is a correct answer. So will you try and find the answers on your own? Khali answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I leave here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, please
Thank
mark
you,
my
ma'am.
attendance.
अटेंडेंस मार्क कर देती हूँ, जिनका एब्सेंट लगा है उनके पूछ लेती हूँ आपसे.
Ma'am, Mukul Verma is present.
8th A में खुशी वर्मा has come. Has खुशी वर्मा come? खुशी वर्मा, are you here?
Ma'am, Khushi Kohli is present.
But खुशी वर्मा is absent ना?
No, ma'am, she is not here.
She is not here. फिर एब्सेंट कौन था? सोफिया. सोफिया भी नहीं है ना? नहीं है सोफिया. Then next is Vilina. Vilina आ गई?
Yes, ma'am, present, ma'am.
Is here. Okay, Vilina has come. Then फिर कौन है एब्सेंट? गौरव महेश्वरी. गौरव महेश्वरी नहीं आया ना? Then हरमिश भी नहीं है. फिर उसके बाद ये कौन है? किशन गुर्जर, नॉट प्रेजेंट. कुणाल बंजारा. फिर उसके बाद है मुकुल इज प्रेजेंट. मुकुल एब्सेंट. प्रकाश, शिवेन इज प्रेजेंट.
Present, ma'am. Shubhika.
ओके.
Ma'am, Shari Kansal present.
साक्षी इज एब्सेंट.
Ma'am, Shari Kansal present.
मैं कर रही हूँ.
Ma'am, Samya is present.
हु इज प्रेजेंट?
Ma'am, Samya.
Ma'am, Shari Kansal.
अनु.
80213.
अनु एब्सेंट.
Ma'am, Shari Kansal present.
मैम अमीन प्रेजेंट है.
कृष्णा.
Ma'am,
मैम रोल नंबर 15 अमीन प्रेजेंट है.
इनका एब्सेंट लगा है, मैं उनके नाम बोल रही हूँ, खाली वही प्रेजेंट बोलेंगे, बाकी चुप रही है. लक्ष्य. देन निखिल इज प्रेजेंट. निखिल इज प्रेजेंट है ना?
Ma'am, Shari Kansal present.
अच्छा, शौर्य बंसल का लगा दिया. देन प्रथम.
Present, ma'am.
देन ये शांतनु एब्सेंट है. देन विक्रांत इज एब्सेंट. देन विवेक बोयत इज एब्सेंट है ना? फिर कौन है ये विवेक बोयत के बाद? अर्शी इज प्रेजेंट. ओके. फिर आयुषी नहीं है, एब्सेंट है.
Ma'am,
फिर ये
मेरे
कौन?
present लगा दीजिए, मेरे मोबाइल में 2% बैटरी है. मुकुल वर्मा.
हाँ, मुकुल को लगा दिया है. सौम्या एब्सेंट है. सौम्या. फिर ये कौन है? अनुज, आर्यन, दर्शिल इज प्रेजेंट. ठीक है, दर्शिल प्रेजेंट है. फिर दर्शिल के बाद देव एब्सेंट है, हेमंत एब्सेंट है, और हिमांशु एब्सेंट है, जुनेद एब्सेंट है, कल्पेश एब्सेंट है. कल्पेश प्रेजेंट. ओके, कल्पेश को मैंने प्रेजेंट लगा दिया. फिर मनीष भी प्रेजेंट आ गया. मोहित आ गया.
Present, ma'am.
मृत्युंजय भी आ गया. अच्छा. फिर पार्थ आया. पार्थ एब्सेंट है. सो मैंने सबका लगा दिया. ठीक है. सो कंप्लीट योर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, ओनली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, पार्ट 1.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
नहीं रे, जैसे वो भी नहीं हुआ. मैं सपेरा नहीं करदा साड़ी केयर नहीं करदा